Hello guys, my name is Setiawan. I am studying in LTE Cruise Pare Kediri, and today I want to show you demonstration or tutorial for making a cocktail. The name is cocktail is signature cocktail as vodka Moscow. Okay guys, vodka Moscow have ingredients vodka and soda water, simple syrup, ice cube, lime, and I use highball. Okay guys, I show you tutorial how make the signature cocktail as vodka Moscow. First, I pour vodka around 60 milliliter. Okay. And then I pour lime juice around 50 milliliter and simple syrup around 30 milliliter. Okay, I add ice cube. Okay, now. Okay guys, I wanna shake the drink for a test unique. Okay, now I add the highball glass.